What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple portrait illustration of Miles Morales. So let's grab some paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Now you want to begin today's lesson with the inside edge of the hood. So let's start in the center of our page with a curve along the top. Starting from the left, we're going to bend this up and then back down on the right side. Now we want to bend the hood coming out towards the bottom. Let's start on the left side, come down and then bend that out. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the edge of the hood, bending this back in. And we'll curve that back down towards the bottom, towards the inside edge of the hood, to right about there. Now you want to trace this back along the outside. Let's start from the bottom left. Just going to taper this so it gets wider. As you come out, and then up. Let's add a fold. I'm going to go up, and then bend that in. Now we're going to layer the top of the hood in behind that fold. So let's step back. Bend this in, and then go up along the side of the head. And then we'll round up the top, going up and in towards the middle, towards the top of the head. Round up the center, go all the way across towards the right, and then we'll blend that down towards the side. Let's go back to that fold. I'm just going to curve this up. Now we're also going to add a fold across the top, starting back over on the left side, bend this up in the middle, and then come down. Now I just want to close off the bottom of the hood. From these 2 points we're going to step up, curve this down, and then up. Now with the hood in place, let's move in and tuck the eyes in underneath. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend the eye going up, and then out towards the top. Let's line this up over on the right. We go up and then bend that out. Now on the inside, we're just going to curve the eye coming down and up along the side of the head. So come down towards the bottom of the eye and then bend that back up. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. Start from the top left, bring this in, all the way along the bottom, bend that up. Now from the outside of the eye, let's step out and we're going to curve the head. We're going to come down. Now let's bend that in towards the chin, towards the middle. Round up the chin, go out and then up on the right side. Now before we go any further, we're going to fill the bottom area of the hood in black using this thick black marker. Now we're going to switch to an ultra thin black marker and add the webs inside the mask. Let's start from the inside corner of the eyes, draw 2 straight angle lines. We're going to go up and in towards the middle, come back down towards the right. Let's trace that along the top, just leaving a gap in the middle. And then from the top, draw 2 straight lines going up to right about there. Let's bend the webs coming down and then out on top of the eyes. Let's trace along the top, coming in towards the middle, again leaving a gap in the center. And then from the side, we're going to angle this up and then out, just underneath the hood. And I'll trace these lines along the outside. Let's continue up towards the top. Again, leaving a gap on the top. And we'll go to the left side, bend the web, coming down and then up toward the left, and then the right. Let's trace these curves along the top, going in underneath the hood. Let's go back to the inside corner of the eyes, add a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's leave a gap on the sides and trace this out along the bottom, coming down and then up. And then on the sides, draw 2 straight angle lines, coming down and out. Let's connect the lines along the bottom with another curve. Again, we're going to trace that curve along the bottom. And we'll angle this straight down, just following that same angle, coming all the way down toward the bottom of the chin. Let's add another curve across the chin, going up and then down, and we'll trace that along the bottom. Now we're going to trace these lines along the outside, starting from the inside of the eye, angle this down to right about there, bend this up and out underneath the eyes. Let's trace that curve, starting from the outside of the eye, coming in, and continue that line coming down towards the chin. Now I want to continue that web coming down from the eyes with 2 straight angled lines on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Miles Morales. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.